Tailscale versus Headscale. Let's get started. Tailscale is a fully managed zero-config VPN built on WireGuard. It handles authentication, coordination, NAT traversal, and device management through its own infrastructure. Headscale, on the other hand, is an open-source, self-hosted implementation of the Tailscale coordination server. It's designed to work with official Tailscale clients, but without depending on Tailscale's cloud. So let's talk about their pros, starting with Tailscale. It is super easy to set up. It has zero config. It also offers a cross-platform. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. It also has an ideal for individuals, teams, and businesses. Now for Headscale, it is fully open source and self-hosted. There are no vendor lock-in or external dependency, and it's compatible with official Tailscale clients, and it's free forever if self-managed. So why should you choose them? Well, choose Tailscale if you want a turnkey secure VPN that just works across all your devices, and choose Headscale if you want a fully self-hosted alternative with no reliance on external services.